Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic coding interview question known as sort colors, often referred to as the Dutch national flag problem. This problem tests your ability to manipulate arrays efficiently and understand partitioning logic. Here is the problem statement. You are given an array with n objects colored red, white, or blue. Your task is to sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent. The order should be red, then white, then blue. We use the integers 0, 1, and 2 to represent these colors, respectively. To be clear, 0 represents red, 1 represents white, and 2 represents blue. The key constraints are what make this interesting. You must solve this without using the library's built-in sort function. Furthermore, we are aiming for a one-pass algorithm that uses constant extra space. A naive approach would be to use a standard sorting algorithm like merge sort or QuickSort, which would take O of n log n time. While correct, it is not the most efficient for this specific scenario. The optimal solution uses the three-pointer approach, achieving linear O of n time complexity in a single pass. Let's visualize the concept. We maintain 3 pointers, low, mid, and high. The idea is to divide the array into 4 sections: the zeros we have collected at the start, the ones immediately following, the unknown unsorted area in the middle, and the 2s collected at the end. We iterate through the array using the mid pointer. Here are the rules. If mid points to 0, we swap it with the element at low and move both pointers forward. If mid points to a 1, we just move mid forward. If mid points to a 2, we swap it with high and move high backward. Let's walk through an example. Here is our initial state. The low and mid pointers start at the very beginning, index 0. The high pointer starts at the very end of the array, index 5. The area between mid and high is considered unknown. As we process the array, suppose we previously encountered a 1, so we just moved mid. Now, our mid pointer is at index 1, which contains a 0. According to our rules, we must swap this 0 with the element at the low pointer, and then increment both low and mid to expand our red section. Fast forward a bit. Now our mid pointer encounters a 2. This belongs at the end of the array, so we swap the element at mid with the element at high. After the swap, we decrement the high pointer. Notice we do not increment mid yet because the new element swapped in needs to be checked. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is O of n because we traverse the array essentially once, processing each element. The space complexity is O of 1 because we are sorting in place, only using 3 integer variables for our pointers. To summarize, the Dutch national flag problem is an excellent exercise in array partitioning. By using 3 pointers, we can segregate elements into 3 groups efficiently. This same logic is actually the foundation for the partition step in the QuickSort algorithm.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.